Hi guys, here again with another video, a quick video. This is one of my other projects. While I'm waiting for things on the jewelry box to dry, this is another thrift store find we've got at a Goodwill. Some of you may recognize these things. They're so vintage. I think almost every household probably had one. I don't know if they're from the 60s, 70s, maybe 80s. And we found it at a Goodwill, and I just had to seize it up. The price was just amazing. I think it was like $3 or $2. But, sorry, the phone, the image wiggles. It's just me trying to keep a balance on it. And we didn't notice that on the bottom, it only came with 3. You can clearly see it says 1, 2, 3, 4 posts, and with only 3 bottoms. So there was a reason why it was so cheap. Yes. So I said, what am I going to do? And then my husband works with wood. It's his little hobby. And I told him to make me a small little plank of wood, a piece of wood. And he cut this off. He beveled, gave it like this little beveled edge on it. And I just took the screws off, put it on top, and voila. It has a little bit of a tilt. A little bit, it has to be sanded. But I think for a problem, I did a pretty good fix. So right now, just gonna glue it up, fix this little wiggle it has, and start working on it. Now, I don't know what color I'm gonna do, and I definitely don't have any idea of what's going to happen to this. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment. What color might do with it? Do maybe some stencils on it. I'm going to be getting soon some transfers, maybe a transfer here or there, or maybe just some mold, or maybe just paint it and leave it as is. Decisions. But what do you guys think? What should be done with this bad boy? And back there, that's just my fuel for the day, so hope that didn't distract. So yeah, this is going to be my new project. If you guys want to see a process of how I do it, how I alter it and everything, just let me know. Just hit a thumbs up if you're on YouTube, and then on Instagram, just hit a like. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.